After this video was super popular.
The things you get from vending machines. It's a banana, but it's also a cat.
I decided to show you guys some more of the vending machines here in Japan. It's not just the little capsule machines, there are plenty that will surprise you, so be sure to check out all 13. First, we'll start with the basics. Number 1, drink machines. Now I know these are in every country, but not like how they are in Japan. There are drink vending machines literally everywhere. I pass over 20 on my way to work, and I only live about 15 minutes from work. And they'll be in the middle of nowhere on the side of the road often. I don't know if that would work too well in the States because things tend to get vandalized. The accessibility is cool too. This one had buttons for the top row if you're in a wheelchair, or I suppose if you're just too short to reach the buttons at the top. Number 2, which is still drinks, is coffee. They have cold and hot drinks in most machines separated by the blue and red colors so you know which is which. Some of the coffee machines actually pour a fresh cup for you. I know that's not uncommon elsewhere, but it's super common here. They even have cold drinks that are poured over ice for you. Number 3 is beer. This is the last drink vending machine we'll talk about, but I haven't seen a vending machine that serves beer in the States, especially ones that are just out in public where anyone could walk up and buy it. I don't see that going well in the States. There's a lot more trust in the Japanese culture. Number 4 is popcorn. It's fun for the kids.
It's cold!
Number 5, frozen meals. You can get an entire frozen microwavable meal from a vending machine here. Number 6 is cooked meals. They also have complete ready-to-eat meals, so that's cool. Number 7, oysters. This one threw me off. Never expected to see an oyster vending machine in my life. You can go back and see how much I like oysters in this video. Not a huge fan. Number 8, train and bus tickets. It's really efficient, easy, and in multiple languages usually, so that helps a lot if you don't speak Japanese. Number 9 is attraction tickets. Just like with the public transportation tickets, it's efficient. Number 10, I just figured I'd throw this one in there. Action figures with a flipped up umbrella and different things stuck to their face. So there's that. Number 11, bugs. If you need bugs. Number 12, moving back to food, there are several restaurants that have a complete ordering process through a vending machine. This is Ichiran. I did an entire video on this place. It's our favorite ramen in all of Japan, and if you ever wanted to go to a restaurant without ever having to interact with another human being, Ichiran is your place. Or any restaurant in Japan with this style of ordering. You place your order by buying tickets for what you want, then you go sit down, push a button, and hand them your tickets without ever actually seeing their face. Then you wait a few minutes, and they bring you a delicious bowl of fresh ramen. We've been to several Ichirans around Japan and loved all of them. And number 13. Now these little capsule machines have things you've probably never thought of before, such as the one from earlier with the umbrella and the random things in the face. My wife calls these the gotcha gotcha machines, and they do get you. Especially our littles. They're tempted every time we pass one, which means every time we're in a public setting. Now I could have cheated and made this 1,000 things you get from vending machines because we've seen over 1,000 different gotcha gotcha capsule machines, but I figured I'd include this all as one point in this video. Here are some examples of the things that you can get. I'm just going to go through and show you this one store. They have entire capsule stores that have maybe 200 machines and there's nobody attending it, and all you do is go in there and spend your yen and you get your things. We've seen plenty of other things in vending machines. We've seen shirt vending machines, there's other types of clothing vending machines. We've seen underwear in vending machines, so that's interesting. We've seen plenty of other different and unique things in vending machines over our time here, but I didn't want to make this super long, so this is just some of the interesting things that you can see that you can get in vending machines in Japan. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos on our travel journey around the world, Japan and elsewhere, and for more videos on money and minimalism. That's all for today. I will see you next week.